Alright, here we got a Saturn Viewer. This will work on any car. If you got a leak when it rain, your floor get wet. As you can see, this one is full of water. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take these off. Some car might have a screw, some car you just pop it out. Then you're gonna take the visor here. Sometimes it's held by 2 screws, sometimes it's held by 3. Then you're gonna bring your liner down, and what you're looking for, there's gonna be a drain. There's gonna be a drain line. Sometimes you can see it out here. Sometimes it's, as soon as it come out of the sunroof, it goes inside right here. But what you're looking for is where it connect to the tray up here. You see where it connect right there? So this one was off. This one, it came off from the white part right here. It was completely off. You can pop the whole thing now, stick it back in, put a zip tie on it so it doesn't slide out again. Then you slide that back in and you're good to go. Now if you check it and your hose is connected right there, your line is connected to the drain, then more likely this will be clogged up sometime on the very top right there of the drain. You gotta poke it from the top right here. From the top right here, you get a wire and you just poke it a little bit, not too hard, because if you poke it too hard, you're gonna unplug it from the line. If not, what I do is I put some draining pipe. You know those stuff you use in the plumbing when you're draining your house, one of your pipe is clogged up. They sell some stuff that you put in it. So that's how I get it unclogged in less than 5 minutes. All right. I hope my video helped you, and I hope you can fix your own car. And I'll see you in the next one.